Hello and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation. My name is Ashley and I'll be leading you through different meditation and mindfulness techniques. I wanted to start this channel to bring meditation and mindfulness in a science-based way to my community, especially in the day and age we live in. We all need a little bit of extra relaxation and mindfulness in our lives. So I have struggled with anxiety and self-compassion my entire life, and I've really found a lot of relief and help through meditation and mindfulness techniques that I've done over the years. And I really wanted to bring that to other people that have those same issues or other things they struggle with, because there is relief that you can work on yourself that can really help with those things. I wanted to merge my two passions of Disney and meditation, so I will be bringing Disney meditation to everyone that wants it. I'll be doing Star Wars meditation, Disney World meditations, some of your favorite character meditations. Sometimes I think we just take meditation too seriously. A lot of people think you need the perfect space, the perfect time, the perfect outfit, the perfect sitting area. You don't need those things. You can meditate anytime, anywhere. It doesn't have to be complicated. Something a lot of people don't realize too is meditation takes practice. It's not easy on the first time. It's never going to be perfect and easy every single time you meditate. It's something that you have to practice with. And the whole purpose of meditation and mindfulness is training your mind to come back to the present moment. We're also focused on the past and the future. We don't spend enough time here in the now. So when you meditate and you are mindful, you're bringing your mind back to the present moment and bringing your attention back to the present moment. I think we can all relate to doing an activity such as driving or reading a book where we're pages in or miles away from where we started and we don't even know how we got there. That's when we're not being mindful. It's really important, especially in this day and age, to be mindful and happy in the present moment. So that's what I hope to bring to everyone with meditation and Disney meditation, is just training your mind to come back to the present moment. Another thing meditation and mindfulness can help with is being non-judgmental of your thoughts. We are so mean to ourselves a lot of the times when we're thinking about how we look and the things we say and the things that we like and do as people. And we need to teach ourselves some self-compassion, to like ourselves. You're stuck with yourself your whole life. You should learn to like yourself. So with meditation and mindfulness, you really learn to have those non-judgmental thoughts and feelings so that you can have some more acceptance for yourself. So something that can turn people off to the idea of meditation and mindfulness is that it gets very spiritual. You know, people bring in Palo Santo, sage, crystals, different things like that can turn people off that don't really understand those things or really vibe with those things, I guess you could say. So I want to bring scientific meditation. There's a lot of science and neuroscience behind how meditation and mindfulness can actually help you. There's different parts of your brain that begin to activate once you are more mindful and you meditate. So I want to bring meditation that doesn't have to be complicated to people. You don't need a meditation cushion. You don't need a perfect space. You don't need the perfect time. You can hear other noises, you can hear traffic, you can hear dogs barking, you can hear someone talking and still meditate and be mindful in the moment and just take that time with yourself. I think a lot of people don't take enough time for self-care, and I think we have a very skewed look on self-care. Self-care isn't just going to the spa. It's not just going and getting a massage. It's not just going and shopping by yourself. A lot of times it's just taking 10 minutes for yourself to be present and understand how you're feeling in that moment. So I think we all have, once again, another skewed look on how meditation and mindfulness is. I'm not a perfect person by any means. I meditate to help me be more present in the moment. I will never be that perfect person that never gets upset at anything because I meditate. That's just unrealistic for me and the purpose I have on this earth. So I am not a perfect person. I also make mistakes just like everyone else, and I hope that I can bring a little sunshine and meditation into your lives. Basically, I want to bring meditation to people who wouldn't find typical meditation appealing. I want to bring them the same benefits of meditation without all of the extraness. We don't need all the extraness. You just need yourself, a place to sit or lay down, and 10 minutes. That's all you need. 10 minutes, a space to sit, and yourself. I chose the name Hubgrass for my meditation channel because the Hubgrass in Disney World is one of the places I feel the most magical and at peace and in the moment. I love the magic of Disney. I love bringing the magic of Disney to everyone else. So I chose my favorite place in the world to name my channel after. So I hope that you can get a little bit of the sparkle of everyday magic from Disney in your own home and enjoy it with me. Also, if you're not a Disney person, that's okay. I will have some normal meditations for you as well, like breathing meditations, body scan meditations, gratitude meditations, loving kindness meditation. There's going to be plenty of other things for non-Disney lovers. So I hope you'll join me here at Hubgrass Meditation. Please subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.